Hi, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie and today I am here to unbox the September 2023 Beauty Heroes box. I am filming this on September 5th, so we're 5 days into the month and I did receive this on the 1st. I just haven't had a chance to unbox it until now, so I am excited to open this with you guys and see who is featured in the box. This is also Beauty Heroes anniversary month. September is when they celebrate how many years they've been in business, so you never know what you're gonna get for September. Sometimes you get several different products and like different brands, different products, and sometimes you get one brand. So let's see what we get. I'm excited. I always love opening up my Beauty Heroes box. Oh, Lilafox. Okay. Let's see here. All right. So I have been a subscriber for about 2 years, and this is the third Lilafox box. I have liked some of their products and some I have not. Ooh, succulent pudding is featured. I'm excited because one of you that watches my channel was telling me how amazing it is, so I'm very excited about that. So we have 2 products, and it is Flower Goo, which is an interesting name. That is a Botanic Ferment Stem Cell Serum, Hydrate and Repair. Okay, so we have a serum. They've changed their boxes. And then we have the Succulent Pudding, which is an Oceanic Peptide Super Calm Emulsion. Okay, you know what? When I first saw it was Lilafox, I was like, all right, we've seen them a few times, but some of the products that I've had from them I've really liked. For instance, I love their Ambrosia Immortalis under eye serum or cream, and I use that nightly, so that's a good one. And the Acid Glow and the Marshmallow Poof from the first box I got like 2 years ago when I started to subscribe, those weren't my favorite. I like the Marshmallow Poof, but I didn't love the scent. The Acid Glow I still have, but it's like a peel. It's a bit harsh for my skin, but I use it now and again. And then the next box was the Ambrosia Immortalis and I think Blue Legume Mask, which kind of smells like pesto, which is kind of weird, but I kind of like it in one way. So anyways, let's talk about this box. All right, it says, our first encounter with this month's hero product by Lilafox was one of awe and gratitude. So the hero product is Flower Goo. Surpassed all expectations we had for a serum. Sophisticated biotechnology, concentrated botanical actives, and the unforgettable aroma of freshly cut stems imbue skin and enrapture the senses, delivering the near instant result of a resurfaced, radiant complexion. Its sidekick, Succulent Pudding, leaves a lasting impression by infusing skin with mega moisture and cell communicating peptides for a bouncy, healthy, semi-matte look and feel. And all of this after just one use. If immediate results and long-term transformation is what you're seeking, this month's discovery is your skin's best chance of living its best life. So one thing I see here on this list is the Flower Goo is $150 and the Succulent Pudding is $130. So the box has a value of $280. So that's a lot. So let's talk about the hero product first, which is the Flower Goo. It's, like I said, a very interesting name. Okay. Yeah, like I said, they've changed their branding. That's pretty nice looking. Okay, 50 milliliters, $150. There are serums, and then there are transformational tonics that can change your skin in an instant. Flower Goo may sound lighthearted, but this hard-hitting, highly concentrated formula resurfaces and refines skin to reveal a visibly noticeable glow and smoothness to the complexion. At the core of this super serum is a double dose concentration of cell communicating mountain rose and crocus flower stem cells, renowned for their remarkable ability to reduce transepidermal water loss, inspire collagen and elastin synthesis, and strengthen the skin barrier. Glucans from fermented oats also support collagen synthesis, while fermented polypeptides are shown to increase pheomelanin synthesis to reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation. When combined with brightening licorice root, the synergy imparts a radiant, even tone glow. Finally, hyaluronic acid, a powerhouse moisturizer that can retain up to 1,000 times its weight in water, ensures immediate and sustained hydration. With its high concentrations of sophisticated botanical ingredients infused in a semi-translucent tonic that smells like the stems of freshly cut wildflowers, Flower Goo is your skin's answer to a lighter, tighter, quenched complexion. So the superpower ingredients are rose stem cells, crocus stem cells, fermented oats, fermented polypeptides, licorice root, and hyaluronic acid. So I would say that if you're not familiar, Lil Fox is like, I think they kind of like to be like cutting edge and active. They're like results driven kind of skincare, I would say. Like, that's just kind of my take on them after this is like the third box. And the scents can be like they tend to be strong. So in my opinion, polarizing, like they're not usually subtle. So I'm curious. Oh, that's like really pretty and unique. Oof. It's definitely strong. First impression was, I don't know. First impression was like, oh my gosh, like the first sniff I got, but then it seemed like it, I don't know, like opened up or something once I rubbed it in. It doesn't seem like awful. Yeah, I don't know if it's like, it almost looks shimmery. I don't know if I'm imagining that, or like if my hand has something on it, maybe not. I don't know. At first I thought it had a shimmer to it, but I'm not positive. Anyways, absorbed right in. Scent doesn't seem super strong right now, so it'll be interesting because I feel like trying something on your hand versus like on your face is a big difference. So anyways, that absorbed right in, so I'm definitely gonna be curious. And it has like, it's not tacky, it doesn't feel, maybe it's a little tacky actually, a little tacky, a little sticky. So yeah, it'll be interesting to play with this serum that is going to do so many things. Okay, and then we will talk about the succulent pudding, Oceanic Peptide Super Calm Emulsion, 50 milliliters for $130. Sea anemone hold a secret in their flower-like tentacles. Their stinging venom contains a protein that inhibits the TRPV1 receptor to help calm overreactive skin. Lil Fox chemists have replicated the TRPV1 inhibitor sequence in a bioavailable pentapeptide proven to decrease sensitivity and soothe skin irritation. This is at the heart of succulent pudding, a matcha-hued emulsion that infuses skin with a surge of moisture and stress-defying adaptogens for prolonged resilience and preternatural bounce. Marshmallow root combines with hyaluronic acid to plump from the inside out, while a complex of fermented oats, kombucha, and minerals work together to soothe, subtly resurface, and replenish. 7 adaptogenic succulent extracts from cholla cactus, Joshua tree, ocotillo, creosote bush, dune primrose, and sand verbena are added to enhance skin's resilience against UV radiation and damage. Encapsulated niacinamide is slowly released to refine, brighten, and strengthen without disrupting the skin barrier. Guava, strawberry, passion fruit, and babassu oils give this pudding a fresh, pressed tropical juice, green juice aroma. Sounds good. And a little goes a long way. It absorbs rapidly, leaving skin soft, smooth, and plump and radiant. The signs of life itself. Superpower ingredients are pentapeptide 5, blend of 8 adaptogenic succulent extracts, that reminds me of Ayuna, fermented minerals, encapsulated niacinamide, marshmallow root and hyaluronic acid, and licorice root. Oh wow, that says, it says all products are good for 18 months unopened and 12 months after opening. I was like, oh, are they good for 18 months open? But no. Okay, so they have like flowers on the inside, and this one had that too. I didn't realize. That's really pretty. Okay, so let's check out this succulent pudding. The name of it sounds very like, I don't know, delicious. And I originally had thought that this was a mask when I first heard about it. And then one of you corrected me. Oh my gosh, it was hard to open, that it's a moisturizer, not a mask. Ooh. Kind of weird looking. I didn't know it was gonna be that color. Okay, yes, granted it shows right there, but it's kind of like a, oh, looks like I have babies, so it kind of reminds me of diapers in some way. Or like mustard, but kind of like baby poop. Can I say I have 2 babies? Oh, it is like, it's like spongy sort of. All right. It does smell, I think, fruity, which is awesome. I really like that. That's kind of like an appealing smell to me. So, oop, I just got a glob there. Let's move it. I like the feeling of it. Feels nice. You know, it does smell tropical with like, you know, if I were to say like cactus scent or like leaf scent sort of, but tropical, but also like fresh, kind of like a greenhouse or like a, when you go into a flower shop sort of. Yeah, it's interesting. I like the smell. I think it's gonna be really interesting to use like this serum, the flower goo, with this succulent pudding moisturizer. Seem like 2 interesting scents, and both textures seemed like nice, so I'm pretty excited to use these together. So this is cool. I am excited too about like a moisturizer that smells good, and texture seemed like unique and awesome, or you know, I don't know, like unique and nice and stuff. So I'm pretty excited actually. Like I said initially, given that this is, I'm going on a little bit over 2 years of my subscription, and this is the 3rd box. The Little Fox was my 3rd box. It was my, so it was the first box in my first year, and it was the last box in my first year. So in the past 12 months, we haven't gotten any Little Fox, and now we are doing Little Fox again. So yeah, like I said, I've had 4 of their products. 1 was a love, and then one's a like, and the other 2 were like kind of, I don't know, you know, I am not like a huge like super active person. I kind of like my products much far less about the effects and the results is the word I was looking for, and then it's so much more about like the experience for me. So it's great if they're active and everything, but like I love the scent experience and like the feeling, you know, like your different senses. So if it can be amazing in that experience and results driven, that's great. So it'll be fun to check these out. So this is the September 2023 Beauty Heroes box, Little Fox, and yeah, leave your comments below. I'd love to know what you think about Little Fox. If you've used them before, how do you feel about them being featured again? If you've been a subscriber as long as I have or longer, yeah, just let me know what you think. And like I said, I know one of you was telling me like that this is an amazing product, and like you said, don't walk, run, like go get it. So I'm very curious if you're a Beauty Hero subscriber, how you feel about getting this. So yeah, let's chat below. Thank you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, found it helpful, and click the subscribe button so you'll be alerted when the next video comes out. And I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.